This is the brief on Python's asyncio concurrency model. So, what is asyncio? Well, it's basically Python's built-in way to handle lots and lots of I/O tasks. Think network calls or database stuff, all within a single thread. Super efficient, right? It avoids getting bogged down waiting for things. First up, the absolute core of asyncio relies on something called coroutines and the event loop. You define coroutines using async def. Now, the cool part is they can actually pause themselves mid-run. And who manages all this pausing and resuming? That's the event loop, kind of like the conductor, making sure everything runs smoothly and cooperatively. Okay, but how do we actually get these coroutines running concurrently? Second, you need to schedule them as tasks, usually using asyncio.createTask. And here's the magic word, await. When you await a task, you're basically telling the event loop, hey, I'm going to pause here for a bit. Feel free to run something else that's ready. It's this yielding that prevents one slow task from blocking everything. And that leads us to the third big payoff, making the most of waiting time. See, if a task pauses because it's waiting, say, for data from a network, the event loop doesn't just sit there, it jumps over and runs other tasks that are ready. That's why a really short task can finish super quickly, even while a much longer one is still waiting in the background. Keeps your whole application feeling snappy. Get comfortable with the event loop, tasks, and using await effectively, and you'll be building some seriously responsive and high-performance Python apps.